In this video, learn about the LexisNexis commitment to the rule of law and get an overview of the numerous rule of law resources available from LexisNexis, including the Rule of Law Foundation. The rule of law is the foundation for the development of a peaceful, equitable, and prosperous society. It provides essential stability that serves the public interest, promotes social justice, and upholds human rights. There are four key areas that form the umbrella protection of the rule of law: equality under the law, transparency of law, an independent judiciary, and accessible legal remedy. Between 2022 and 2023, more than 6 billion people, or about 75% of the world's population, lived in a country where the rule of law was weakened. LexisNexis holds a deep commitment to advancing the rule of law around the globe, and we have numerous resources available through the LexisNexis Rule of Law Foundation and directly within Lexis AI to help you learn about the rule of law, track rule of law issues, and get involved. To view these resources, begin by going to Lexis AI. Within the legal research system, access the Explore menu by Practice Area to view the Equal Justice Practice Area page. On this page, find digital copies of the Federal Rules of Evidence, Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, and the U.S. Constitution. Interactive access to justice reports on various rule of law topics from Law 360, and access to key rule of law resource kits on practical guidance, including the Protesters' Rights Resource Kit, Voting Rights Resource Kit, Workplace Diversity and Racial and Social Justice Resource Kit, and School Discipline Reform Kit, along with the Law 360 Access to Justice page. You will find further rule of law resources within the Civil Rights Law Practice Area page, including links to civil rights law cases, statutes and legislation, administrative codes and regulations, secondary materials, forms, news, and more. In addition to the array of rule of law resources available from the Lexis AI research system, you can also find in-depth legal news and analysis on rule of law issues with Law 360. You can access Law 360 News in the search bar by clicking the Legal News Hub icon or by accessing it through the product switcher at the top left of the page. Law 360 provides up-to-date news and analysis on a variety of legal topics, including access to justice. Here, find the latest news and expert analysis on access to justice issues. Stay informed on the latest legal news and analysis by subscribing to this newsletter. To learn more about the LexisNexis Rule of Law Foundation, go to LexisNexisRolFoundation.org. On this page, find ways to get involved, rule of law news, quick access to the LexisNexis U.S. Voting Laws and Legislation Center, information about the rule of law equation, and access to the Rule of Law Impact Tracker. You can also learn more about the history of the rule of law and the LexisNexis Rule of Law Foundation. View current Rule of Law Foundation projects, and quickly access rule of law tools. Law students can help support the rule of law by donating LexisNexis reward points directly to charitable organizations. To do so, go to the LexisNexis Law School homepage and click Manage Rewards. Scroll down to donate your points. Enter your school's name in the search box to find a local charity associated with your school, or browse through local and national charities. You now know what the rule of law is, why it's important, the LexisNexis long-standing commitment to the rule of law, and the work we're doing through the LexisNexis Rule of Law Foundation, as well as the rule of law resources available through Lexis AI. For further information and training, please contact your LexisNexis representative.